seconds to shoot. And a 3-point shot with 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8 with a spinning move. Nasa kayo number 29 with a 3-point shot. Wala ang bola na kuha ni number 10 pass to number 24. Number 24. Number 24 with 15 seconds to shoot. Number 02 with a jump shot. No good. It will be got by 10, but it's already a live ball para kay Team Espanyol. 28. Number 28 to number 5. Number 5 with a jump shot. No good. Nakukuha ni number 9. 22 to number 5 with another 3. No good pa rin. Nakukuha ni number 02. Pass to number 24. Quick pass to number, but it's 3 minutes and 45 seconds to play on the second quarter. But it is already 9. Number 69, ako pa rin ang bola ni number 69 to number 24 to number 10 with a jump shot. And nagod wala ang bola, pinilit na isalba, makukuha nino. Makukuha nino 02. 6:32 in favor of Team Strano with number 8. Number 8. Pero na-intercept ang bola. Line ball pa rin. Nakuha na yung number 29. 29. But it is a in number 8. In number 8. Now pa rin in number 8. Pass to number 5. Tiniran. Pass favor of Team Strano. And that is a good shot. Number 11. Number 11. Now pa rin ang bola ni number 11 with 15 seconds to shoot. Number 02 with a 3-point shot. Sa kay number 22. Number 22. This is your time to shine, but it's too strong. Nakuha ni number 10 and that is number 27. Number 27. Tiniran. Nakuha ni number 22 pero may foul. Tiniran. Wala ang bola makukuha ni number 22. Number 22. This is your time to shine with another shot. Nakuha ni number 0. Tiniran. Nakuha ni number 27. Pass to number 20. With 1 minute and 30 seconds to play on the second quarter. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11 with a spinning move. Tiniran. Nagod pa rin talaga pero makukuha doon sa amin number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 22. Tiniran nagod. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11 pero may interception ni number 20. Number 0. Habra ng bola ni number 0. Nakakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 10. Number 10 bumaraka tumira. Nagod nakuha pa rin pagkalakas. With 1 minute to play. Number 11. Number 11 with a jump shot and that is it. With 50 seconds to play.